When you think about van life, this is what you think about.
It's quite a different experience, let's put it that way.
Oh my god, look at this road.
I'm Georgie from Bulgaria and this is my place.
If you're new here, we're Charlene, Chris and Holly. For the past 8 months, we've been traveling around Europe in our motorhome.
After spending a cold winter in the mountains, we started our long journey east, but only made it as far as Bulgaria. Unfortunately, our heater decided to stop working on us in the eastern part of the country and nobody nearby could help. No luck. So we found a repair shop about 2 hours away and decided to backtrack towards this small city called Kazanlak, with the hope that they can help us.
Maybe, if we stay positive, maybe these guys can help us.
I really don't feel like having another cold night because
Yeah.
it got quite cold last night.
No, last night it was -3. Very cold.
Yeah, this morning though the van was freezing.
Thank God I got a hot water bottle with me here, and I used it last night for the first time ever.
Yeah, we emptied out the water as well so it doesn't freeze. But yeah, just hope they can fix it today.
Раз нашия кабел.
Да.
Пробвай с него.
It seems like it is either the electric board or the motor. So they've let us park here overnight just outside their building and they're gonna work on it tomorrow. If it's the electric board, they said it's around 500 euros, and if it's the motor, we need to buy a brand new heater.
The next day we didn't have much progress. They told us we have to order a part and wait for 1 week. So we headed to a nearby village to find a park up and figure out what to do next.
I'm Georgie.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Yes, you can park at my place. It is for free, it is safe. I will organize you everything.
Yeah? Okay, that'll be
I just started. You're my first tourist this year.
Ah, very good.
Cool.
Thank you.
Okay.
How nice.
Let's go.
He's so nice.
Yeah, Georgie. He'll set us up, he'll set us up. Let's follow him.
For us, it's like we found a person who can save us for the day. Let's see what he has to offer. Right now we are following him because he's gonna take us to the entrance. Oh my god, look at this road. Jesus. No. Oh, you have to turn this way now. Oh my god.
That stick is bigger than you. She's a ninja, huh?
One, two, go. Drop it, go. This smells so good.
Realno. This is a dairy fabric that you can buy Bulgarian products through from the producer. You see, this is the Bulgarian white cheese that made here.
Yeah, we'll definitely buy some of that.
And this is Bulgarian yellow cheese called Kashkaval. It is aged cheeses. And here also produce the famous Bulgarian sour milk. Yes.
Yeah.
And this is the milk from the cow.
Ah, okay.
The
Fresh.
true milk, fresh.
Fresh.
Pasteurized. It is unpasteurized. When you get it, you must boil it first. 5-4 things.
Yeah.
And that's all. This is the Bulgarian cheese. It stays in a brine of water and salt. Can stay up to 6 months like this. No
It's
problem.
your first time trying it?
Yeah, for this hour.
What do you think?
What?
So I'm just going to try some of this cheese.
То иска да женска трябва да бъде. Той красавец трябва да пуснеш на обява в овец.
Very good.
This is made for use with directly with bread.
Okay, so it's like a spread.
Breakfast for champions.
Breakfast for champions. I really like this one.
It is so freshy. It is also very healthy. Have a lot of calcium and give it to the babies.
So we're just driving about Ovoshtnik, which is the town where we're at. And I've got Georgie with me and Hope, who's come along for the ride.
You see the thermal bath?
Yeah, coming up here we've got the thermal baths, and we should be able to get a shower here.
Naked.
So we're finally nice and fresh. We managed to have a shower at the thermal baths. It was quite a different experience, let's put it that way, because you have to go in naked with everyone. So a bit different to what we're used to back home. So we're just going to stop at the shop now and pick up some things to eat. Very good. Yeah.
So we've just had breakfast indoors, but now I'm washing the dishes outdoors, which is really good, really, because this is like what you see when you think about van life. This is what you think about, that you are always outdoors and always have the tables set outside and the chairs. For us, it was completely different because we were in the snow. It was very cold, and yeah, for us, this is summer as well, and I'm loving it.
Yes, we've got a proper camp going on here. We're loving it in Bulgaria. This campsite, or soon to be campsite, is really treating us well. The sun is out and we've got Holly there relaxing in the sun, We've got our Jackery charging with the solar panels, and we're just washing up some of the dishes after a fantastic breakfast. So a bit of a slow morning, but I think this is what van life and motorhome life is all about. We're also really happy that we found Georgie's soon-to-be campsite, and it's kindly allowed us to stay here. Just peace and quiet, really. There's a road not too far away from here, but the rest is just covered in trees and fields. It's just been the perfect place to stay, really, until we get our heater fixed, which, by the way, guys, hopefully should be done in a few days' time. We need to call him on Monday.
Yay! Can't wait for it, huh?
Yeah, I really hope he gets it fixed so that we can continue our journey.
Yeah.
Although I wouldn't mind staying here for a couple of weeks. So these Jackery solar panels are quite good. To be honest, when we're on the go, we don't use them that much, because you need to have like a big area to kind of set up. What's your favorite thing about Georgie's campsite?
I would say the trees and the shade that they do. It's really cool, I think, in summer. And the peaceful and serenity that there is here. It's just heaven, I think, because in the morning you hear the birds chirping, and then in the evening you can watch the sunset, which is super beautiful from here. I think that's all. And of course, his special hospitality.
Hello guys, I'm Georgie from Bulgaria, and this is my place. It's not the place that you expect, but we are just starting to build it a camping. You see, very big place in area with river down there, mineral water, aqua park, the airfield for small planes.
Yeah, and the thermal baths as well, very
And
close
thermal
by.
baths, yeah, just 200 meters. This is Hope.
Hello, Hope.
We want to build an ecological camping with 60 places for caravans and campers, all with water and electricity.
And what year will that be ready? What's the plans?
The plans are in 3 years, but this year we will start with 10 places and we will upgrade it to the full capacity. I expect you to come again.
I'm also looking forward to see how this place is going to look in the next 2 years.
3.
3 years maximum. Maximum. Let's hold him to it. So we'll come back, and if it's not ready, I'm going to be mad.
Yeah.
She wants Chin chin.
Cheers.
We're having a Bulgarian beer.
Really good. It doesn't really get any better than this. Van life in Bulgaria. We're in a soon-to-be campsite in the middle of the forest. Nice and peaceful, eh?
Yeah, that's what's amazing about this place, because it's very quiet and there's only us here.
Yeah, we initially got stuck here because of the heater, as you guys know. But it's been quite a good few days, I think. Like, we needed it to relax a bit. And with the sun,
Yeah,
it's been
spring
nice
is
to
here.
enjoy a bit of
Yeah.
outdoors as well.
Spring is here. We can feel it, because I think this is our first time this year of bringing our table and chairs outdoors.
We were supposed to be in Turkey by now. But obviously, because of the heater, we've had to stick around, and we should be getting the part in a few days' time.
Let's hope we get there.
Yeah, let's hope, fingers crossed, that it all works out. But at least in the meantime, although it wasn't planned, we've really enjoyed these last few days here in Bulgaria.
Yeah.
It's been sunny, so spring is just around the corner, and it feels like summer to us
Yeah.
after such a long winter in the snow.
Well, this is spring, but it feels like summer, right? It's nice, warm, sunny.
Yeah. If you enjoyed watching this week's video, please hit the like button, because it really helps us out. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up with our future videos. And, well, we'll see you next week.